Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to talk about Microsoft Copilot. So this AI is very best AI. So here you can go to here you can type Microsoft Copilot. So this AI which used to if you want to write the programming, so we have stuck with any course, you can get the help from this AI. This AI generate whatever problem you have, it automatically will solve the problem. So here when you type here Microsoft Copilot, you can go coming to this dashboard. Here you can click sign in. So you can here there is a option called download Copilot app. You have to download it. If you are downloaded, it will be the app will be downloaded this way. So you have to connect with this sign in your if you have an account on the Microsoft account, you can create the account using the Outlook. Okay, so I hope you have a idea to create the Outlook account. Okay, so here this Outlook. Okay, you have to go to the Outlook. You have to go here. This is a Microsoft email. You have to create the my Microsoft email over here. Okay, so here Outlook you have to create the account free email. Okay, so here you will be able to create the emails. Okay, you can create the emails. Okay, Microsoft emails. Okay, so after that, if your account, you will be able to download that and you can sign in. After sign in, you can come into this. After download this app, you can come in here. Otherwise, if you can work with this as a browser, you will be able to continue as a browser. So I already downloaded and installed in my machine. Okay, so here this AI, it's working very simple way, very efficient way. So I'm going to ask uh, act as a Java developer. Now it is act as a Java developer. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to here, I'm going to ask, I want to write the codes, code of, I want to write the code of hello world in Java. It's very fast. Here you can see here it is wrote everything. Okay, so here the code is written successfully. Here it's very efficient way here. The first line, this one is all over. It is here. It is writing here's a camel case. Here it is a standard of writing the Java codes. Okay, you can see hello. It's starting from hello like this. Okay, hello world. It is starting from what? It is starting from capital. It's called as a camel case. This is the main method. Inside the main method, we have written system.out.println hello world. Okay, this is the this is the hello world has been printed. If you run the app the hello world has been printed. Okay, very simple. Okay, so this is the way we have written. Okay, if you want to, you can copy this code and you have to put it to your NetBeans, so Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ IDEA. You can run this code. It's very simple. So I want to write add two numbers. Add two numbers using Java. Java, I am asking swing application. NetBeans. So okay. Here it is telling that how to create the NetBeans project. Here go to the file, new project. Here select the Java application. Here name of your Java application. Here you can create the select the JFrame form. Here add two numbers. After that, your design view, add the following components: palette, J fields and buttons and labels. Okay. So after that, after done the stuff, you can put in the code inside the here. Double click the J button. You have to put in this code. Okay. What is the this is number one, number two. What is number one? You enter here. It is assigned to this variable. Number two is assigned to this variable. Both are calculated. Number one and number two passing to sum. It will display on the label. Here it is generated successfully. If there are any problem, there is a exception we have written number format exception. In Java when you are testing the code, okay, the exception handling can easily we can find out the error. What is the error is coming from where? what kind of the error. Everything is solved by try and catch. The Java, there are plenty of exception is there. Number format exception, SQL exception, array not found exception. There are many exceptions are there. So that you have to go when you if you are a Java program, you have to study everything. Then only you can stay in Java. Okay, you are alive in survive in Java. So here there, this is the number format exception. Okay, so here is there any problem with your number? You are enter instead of the number you are typed any text, it will be passing this here. Okay, very simple. Okay. So this how we have this AI tool will be working. It's very efficient way. Okay, this not this we have get lot of help from this code. Okay, this is it helps so much of for programming. Okay, Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so I want to I'm going to get the new chat. So now here this time I'm going to write. Imagine you are going to work as a in your school. You are having a assignment. This assignment you have to write a essay. Uh, the topic they are given as a Taj Mahal. So how to write the essay? Okay, so you have to how to write the efficient essay. Okay, effective and concise essay. So how to write? So first you have to write act as a world best essay writer. You have to give the prompt up correctly. So if you have any problem, you can okay, it will be given some spelling checker. The Microsoft Copilot given the spelling checker, you will be able to check the spelling as well. When you're writing it going to wrong, it doesn't matter. It will be take care of the spelling. So now here I'm going to I need you to write. I need you to write write the efficient, effective, and concise essay about Taj Mahal, India. Taj Mahal, India. Here is spelling Taj Mahal, India. Words must must include 1,000 to 1,000 include 1,000 between 1,500 words. Here you can see here it is very fast. It is returning very it is working very fast. This is my favorite AI tool. This is very efficient. Here you can see score to this code here. It's very fast. You will be able to write the concise letter. You can go through the each and every topic. It will be right in the good manner. You can see here. Taj Mahal located in Agra, India. Everything it will be written in the best manner. Okay, so it will be here edit the page, so you will be able to if you have installed the Word. This is convert as a Word document. Here you go along. You have to get to everything. Okay, the word count is around 1,000 between 1,500 words. Okay, so this how we have this is why this Microsoft Copilot is very famous AI tool. Okay, so I hope you guys will understand things well. Thank you for watching.